Here's how to add a PDF to your Unbounce landing page. In your Unbounce account, go to your landing pages list and click Edit on the page where you want to add your PDF. You'll be redirected to the classic Unbounce builder where you can customize your page content. You can add your PDF in either of two places: on your main landing page, where visitors can download it directly, or in your form confirmation dialog, which appears after someone submits a form, useful for gated content like ebooks or guides. For this example, let's add the PDF to the form confirmation dialog. Click on the Form Confirmation Dialog tab near the top of the builder to switch to that view. From the Widgets panel on the left, find the button widget. Click, drag, and drop it where you want it to appear on the page or confirmation dialog. Once the button is placed, the Element Properties panel will appear on the right. You can now style your button, change the button label. For example, I'm going to type download, adjust the font size, color, and alignment to match your design. This is optionally, but you can add effects, borders, or change the button shape. Now, under Click Action in the Properties panel, you have two options. If your PDF is hosted externally on Google Drive, Dropbox, or your own site, set the action to go to URL and paste your PDF link in the URL field. But if you want to upload the PDF directly to Unbounce, change the action to download a file. A window will open, click Upload File, and select your PDF from your computer. Once uploaded, click Choose to attach it to your button. After setting up your button, click Save, and then republish your landing page to apply the changes. Visit your live landing page or fill out your form. If you added it to the confirmation dialog, you'll see the Download PDF button appear. When you click it, the PDF file should download immediately. And that's how to add a PDF to your Unbounce landing page.